Bullet, can you please stop playing with my mascara? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patricia. I make videos on fashion and lifestyle and I post videos every Thursday. So before you leave, please subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected. And recently I noticed that magnetic lashes became very popular, and magnetic lashes claim that no glue, no stress, no mess. I follow Kylie Jenner's makeup artist Harouche and I saw her wearing Glamnetic lashes and I ordered a pair for me. I have never tried magnetic lashes before, so this is gonna be my first time. So I'm going to unbox my lashes with you. I'm gonna do the wear test and I'm gonna share my thoughts on those lashes. So Glamnetic lashes are $29.99 and the magnetic liner is $37.99. So it is $68 for a pair of lash. Yeah, it's a lot. But we're gonna see that if they're worth the hype, if they're worth the money. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the packet. Yeah, this is very beautiful. This is already giving me bougie luxury vibe. And this is a holographic packet, and this is actually made up of bubble wrap, so it's gonna secure the items inside, which is good. Check their website and they have the option need help to choose lashes, and also read the description so you can pick the lashes, and they have also mentioned the length of the lash, so that is really helpful to choose the lashes. They also have colorful lashes, so you can pick whatever works for you. And they have two color of liner, magnetic liner. One is black and another is brown. Since I like drama, so I picked up this. This is in style Vogue, and this packaging is bomb. Beautiful. So Vogue looks like this, very dramatic. And look at the packet. This is iridescent pink packet, really beautiful. Let's take the lash out. So this is called Vogue, very dramatic. And these lashes have 6 attached magnets. These magnets are gonna hold up the whole lash band. And looking at the lash length, I don't think that I have to trim this lash. And this tray is so interesting. There is a magnet here, so you can easily put your lash back, and it's really easy. You can imagine that the lash glue or the magnetic liner will have a little bit rough residue on the magnets, not on the real lash band. So I have to be careful when I clean them, because if I lose the magnets, then there will be more sparse area, and the liner has to be thick enough to cover the magnet area. So this is their special magnetic liner, and they claim that the innovative formula requires minimal waiting time and provides all-day hold for your longest days and wildest night. Okay. It's highly pigmented matte black color. They also claim that this is smudge-proof, waterproof, sweat-proof. We'll see. So let's look at the liner. I ordered in color black because most of the time I wear black liners. And let's try. This is the liner. This is really black and matte as they claimed. Let's smudge a little bit. Okay, it is smudge proof. Let's spill some water to see if they're waterproof. No, it's not coming up. So they suggested to clean up the liner and to clean up the lash with oil-based makeup remover. So I'm taking my makeup wax. Let's see if it's easy to take off. Yeah, it came off. I was waiting for this moment forever. So shake it up. I'm applying their special magnetic liner. On the packet, they say that for optimal result, apply Glamnetic lashes onto liner once 80% dry. And do not use the liner on waterline and lower lash line. So I think that it is 80% dry now, and the moment is here. Okay, that was easy. That was so fast. I didn't expect that. Let's do the other one. I really didn't have to struggle to put them on. It was really easy and I'm so amazed. And look at those beautiful lashes. Let them be a moment. There are like sparse area between the magnets, but you don't see the sparse once you put them on. Are you guys ready for the blow test? I have my blow dryer with me and I will set it to cool mode, and let's begin. Alright, okay, one round done. Let's check if they're alright. Yeah, they are on place. Ready for the second round? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, let's check again. The lashes are on. Wow, I'm amazed. So, I'll tell you a short story. So, we were going on a long drive. I mean, I and my husband, and at a point, I told him to roll up the windows because my lashes were coming off. My husband told me, then where do you wear them? I was like, huh? So next time, I'm gonna wear my Glamnetic lashes, roll down the windows and enjoy the long drive. I'm super excited about these lashes. They have passed waterproof test, they have passed the blow test, and I'm sure they're gonna pass the wear test too. I'm gonna wear the lashes all day long and I'm gonna do the sweat test too. So I'm gonna update you in 4 hours and tell you if they're still on. Alright guys, so now the time is 3:30 p.m. So 4 hours running. Let's check on my lashes. Lashes are still on their place, and let's do the pull test. Well, yeah, they're still on. So I'm gonna update you after a couple of hours and do the sweat test. Now the time is 5:38 here, and I'm gonna go and do my workout. Then I'm gonna see that if they're really sweat proof, then I will update you again. And I want to do the pull test again. Let's do it. Okay, they're still on. I'm really happy about it, and I think that they're really worth the money and they're worth the hype. Now it's time to share my final thoughts about these lashes. I'm super amazed how they perform. They're super easy to put on, and I'm amazed that they stayed on all day. They're waterproof, sweat-proof, smudge-proof, and windproof. Glamnetic liners, they came with 2 different colors. So I'm gonna keep my regular lashes side by side because sometimes I wear blue-green liners, and if I don't want to wear any liners, just lashes, then I will use my regular lashes. Now question, do I recommend this? Yes, I do recommend this. Do I want to buy this again? Yes, I will buy this again. Do they worth the hype? Yes, they do worth the hype. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!